As the bell rings.
Let's go. Let's go.
As the bell rings. As the bell rings.
Hey guys, who's signing up for the talent show?
I am. Me too.
Nah.
Oh, come on, we do it every year.
No, I'll just be happy to watch my talented friends.
Suit yourself, but this talented friend's gotta go practice.
Hey, can you guys help me decide on my talent?
Sure, Tiff. What are you thinking about doing?
Well, I've got to narrow down to either hand modeling or reciting the alphabet backwards. Z-Y. Well, I'm still practicing that one. See ya.
Well, if you're not going to sign up, maybe you could help me out with my act.
Sure, what's your talent?
I'm going to sing.
And I'm gonna dance.
So the next part goes, sentences of yours running through my head, searching for a chance to catch my breath.
That's really good.
Really? I don't want to make a fool of myself.
Hey guys, check this out. So, what do you think?
Well, it sure was loud.
Awesome, thanks.
Okay, so back to the lyrics.
Okay, I've been working on this all period. Z-Y-X. I'll be right back.
I was thinking for the next part, maybe it goes day or night, dark or light. I don't know. I just feel like it needs a little bit more.
Magic. Pick a card, any card. No, don't let me see it. Is it the 7 of diamonds?
Nope.
Not exactly the magic I was looking for. Okay, day or night, dark or light.
Hey, how about you'll be taking over that thing called my shadow?
That's really good.
But is it this good?
Let's pick this up next period.
Great. So the next part is sentences of yours running through my head, searching for a chance to catch my breath.
A never-ending dream. You'll become a part of me.
Now that's magic.
Magic? Pick a card, any card. Now don't show me. Is it the Queen of Hearts?
Nope.
Are you sure?
Yep.
Man.
Sorry about all these interruptions. We're so close.
Okay, I totally have it now. Z-Y-X-W. You'll see me in a few minutes.
Take your time.
Okay, guys, check this out. I gave up on the clarinet. I just wasn't feeling it. So?
Well, it's definitely louder.
Sweet.
Okay, I think we have something. Let's put this together.
Sentences of yours running throughout my head, searching for a chance to catch my breath.
A never-ending dream. You'll become a part of me. Day or night, dark or light, you'll be taking over that thing called my shadow. Wow, you're amazing.
But are you this? I got nothing. And what happens other days, the wind and the clouds appear and fade away my shade. Oh. Okay, I got it. ZYXWVUTSRQPONMLKJIHGFEDCBA. Hey, where'd everyone go? Oh, well, maybe I'll just do the hand modeling.